Maya Payaldo po, yako po Lester Dionisio Giao, Menibatan, Ting Magalang, Pampanga. Mikyabi ako po kiniking RMU 2025, dahil king advocacy na, which is malapit yarin po king kanakong puso, king advocacy ning organization na yun. And ining organization ay amo organization, pamilyaya. And pamilya natin yung mission. By supporting fellow OFW, care, empathy, especially those in Bahay Kalinga. So this mission resonates deeply within me. So that's the reason why I joined RMU 2025.
O agka mo rin kaya katamong kabalin.
Yes po, agkatanda kayo po, kindaratang patimpalak ng RMU 2025. Ala pa pong final date, pero asahan ko po kaya kayong suporta ka na akong kabalin. Thank you.